Indeed, I was ramping with the wrong Jamaican girl. I mean, how was I supposed to know that she had an obeah woman that cast a spell on me, stating that within 3 days, I would lose my manhood? Yo, it's your boy Yaadman Etan. And before we get into this video, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe and keep the vibe. Ding, dong, done.
So I'm going.
I'm going, me there, you know. Where they going?
No, they pan nothing, you know. I'm just there. I fold up them 2 pieces of clothes for you, man.
That's why I love you, you know.
Does I say that?
What do you mean?
Say does I say that, man? I know you rolling now. You just say I love, but you don't love nothing.
What you talk about?
You know you mean talk about? Me you hear tell Nicole, Keisha, and Anisha say I love her too. Me not in that.
Who name Nicole, Keisha, and what?
The other woman them where you have, me hear about them from a friend.
Which friend?
Maya.
Who name Maya?
Maya, my own girl, man. I'm so disappointed.
Games you the fun, you know. I know you
I no games at all.
Sure.
See, now tell me I tell them. That's good. Change the station.
You want the remote?
No, so just change it. So like my sister named Sabrina, she tell me to like she see her before. Sabrina.
Oh?
Sabrina. You never heard her before? I'm gonna tell you. She tell me to say like she meet this boy, you know. Him name Jeffrey. But we don't send a Jeffrey name, you know. But she just tell me that because she don't feel that way. She say, I said him lock stay, one redo, him have a mole on him nose and him wear a Jamaican chain. She tell me you look from the head to the toe upon the T, you know, on point.
I probably King Tabby she talk to you, know. Them say me and him look the same, you know.
No man, you look different from him. So like, she'll come over here come pick me up anyways, you know? Yeah, like, plus they want to come over here come meet
like
you.
How much minutes ago? You
2 minutes ago. She soon come, man. She said like, me tell her she want her to come over here come pick me up. Me know she come pick me up, just come introduce you and I together. So she, oh yeah, Fred, so. You know what?
No.
You look like you know what, man. You're Fred bad, you're sweat, you alright?
No.
You're gonna meet her, nobody worry. No man, you're sweat bad, poor
Sabrina.
She so come, nobody worry about.
I want to. Hey, idiot boy, I want one in here. Eh?
Oh, you look so friendly, Etan. You know my sister Sabrina? Look like I know her, man.
Calm down, Etan. Calm down, because everybody knows say extra. I want to you. Eh? You must be going to find out.
I want her to say where I drink from stuff. You know him?
What you mean if I know him? We talk to him every day, FaceTime him, everything. All him friends, them know about me.
Is that what you're
Etan.
talking
Hey.
about?
Oh,
Are you
yeah,
gonna talk about?
yo. You're going like say a big Easter bun me I give you. I want a little spice bun me I give you.
Idiot boy, you come and talk about if a big. Man, you bun a bun. That me make you know. Bun a bun.
And a 2 sister you cheap on too.
Yo, hear me say now, if God don't want me have one woman, he would have give me one sit.
One scene, this
One sit.
one scene. Oh yeah, talk about.
Bruh.
You know what, my girl, pick up your bag and let's go. Cause a biggie, you know what, me get 3 days, Etan.
Sure.
3 days.
Sure.
For your balls drop a ground. Oh, cause the wrong Jamaican girl, you're wrong breed.
Indeed, I was ramping with the wrong Jamaican girl. I mean, how was I supposed to know that she had an obeah woman that cast a spell on me, stating that within 3 days, I would lose my manhood?
Oh my God! I need to fix this.
yeah, I said me eat the boy. You say she not even know me eat him. Hold on then. The idiot boy call me. Someone call you back. Hello?
What, babes?
No. Where call me for?
Everything good?
Everything good, of course.
Just to tell us, I've seen the error in my ways and I want you back.
You want me back? You want me back? You must tell my sister that too, don't it?
No. I am a one-woman man now. One woman do my thing.
I don't know what you're talking about. You can't be one woman man when you don't have no seed, Etan.
Bruh.
You know no seed? How you gonna be fruitful and multiply the earth? You know why you waste my time, you know? I'm gonna call my man Ikechi. So later.
You don't know it's your boy, Yaadman Etan. Thank you guys for watching that video. Now, I'm going to need you guys' help so I can continue to make a splash. And to make waves on YouTube, I'm going to need you guys to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Yaadman Etan. Oh yeah, one more thing. The link in the description below. Yeah, click that, buy my merch, help me pay bills. Thanks. And the winners for last week's giveaway are TT, the Woman of God, Fuzzy, Prince, and Sir Anthony I. Please check your DMs, guys. I'd like to thank everyone for the continued love and support. Bless up on yourself. Sooner or later.